are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am also fine.
Now you are in IELTS examination and I am your examiner. My name is Miss Tandel and I construction you with all the part. There are 3 part of speaking portion and I explain you all the part. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
So my first and general question, what is your good name?
My name is Tandil Nisita, but you can call me my first name Nisita.
Can you tell me about your hometown?
Yes, of course. I live in Dhulai, which is southern part of Gujarat. It has many facilities like bank, hospitals, school, colleges and more.
What do you do, study or work?
I currently study in school. I have just passed in my SSC exam and now I study in IELTS exam.
What do you do in your weekend?
I don't study in weekend. I go to restaurant with my family. Sometimes I watch a movie. Last Saturday we watch a funny comedy movie. And openly we also visit natural places.
Have you ever helped anyone, why and whom?
Last week I went to market. I saw one orphan child. He was very poor and hungry. He asked me for coin. I gave him coin and some fruits.
What do you do in today's morning?
Today I get up at 6 o'clock. Then I took bath and shower. Generally I pray to God and I took breakfast and watch news.
Okay, I ask you one question and please answer me in a long. Describe the situation when you are not allowed to use your phone.
Today's cell phone is an indispensable part of our life. We cannot think without cell phone. There are many places where cell phone is not allowed. For example, religion temples and hospitals cannot allow use the cell phone. Here I would like to talk about one incident of my life. Last month my auntie came to my home. She spent few days for shopping her daughter's wedding. We decided to go Golden Temple and which is located in Amritsar. I remember vividly that there were a long queue to enter the main building. Our turn came out after 1 hour. As soon as we entered the main building, suddenly my phone started to ringing. Everyone looked at me as if I committed a crime. There are so many notices that don't use the cell phone. I had forgotten that I had forgotten to switch off my phone. I felt very embarrassed. I immediately called my phone, got a phone and switch off my phone. We came out from the main. We came out the prayer hall and we went to community kitchen and took lunch. After 1 hour we came out from the main building and switched on my phone. I saw that there were 4 missed calls of my cousin. I called her. She asked me, why didn't you receive my phone? I told her all situation. So this was a situation I was not allowed to use a cell phone.
What are the benefits of mobile?
There are many benefits of the mobile. We can study in cell phone with IMP. We download many applications. We can get many knowledge.
What are the negative impact of phone in our life?
Cell phones our uses in our lives negative impact. Network is very harmful for our body. Children play games and watch cartoon. Youngster through of officially entertain me.
What are the smartphone used for most?
The smartphone used the most social networks such as WhatsApp, Twitter, Insta, Facebook.
Okay, you are very good in IELTS exam and your speaking is very powerful. So thank you to interact with me.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am also fine. I am speaking. You are welcoming speaking for an IELTS exam. My name is Miss Tandel, and I examiner to this exam. I ask two general question. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready, and I will talk about interact with you.
What's your good name?
My name is Shivangi Tandel, but you can call me my first name Shivangi.
Okay, Shivangi. Where are you from?
I am from in Valsad, and my village name is Kakwari. It is a very big village, and my village has many facility like a schools, hospital, and more.
What do you do in weekend time?
In weekend time, I am don't study. Generally, I go with my friend, go with my family with a restaurant. And last Saturday we went to the movies, and I saw the funny movie. And we went natural places.
Do you work or study?
I am now currently study, and I have passed my HSC exam, and I am preparation for IELTS exam because I go to the foreign.
What did you in the morning today?
First of all, I got on 6 o'clock and then took bath. Generally, I am pray God, and then I read a newspaper and took tea and watch on TV news.
Okay. Describe a time when you were very excited.
Usually, I am always excited, but we can go new places. I was really excited. Last year, our school planned a one week tour. We went to the Kutch. Kutch is a big district of state in Western India. We saw many palaces like Maharani palaces, Prague palaces, Aina Mahal. There were a sculpture which display on Kutch tradition. We saw to the Anjan. Anjan has a show to the Jaisal and Toral storm, and listen this story. Their story is very interesting. And we go Kandla Port. Kandla Port has many ships and boats. And then we go to the Kalo Dungar and Bhujya Dungar. We got on the Dungar, and we go to the Asapura temple. Every people visited this temple. This temple is very big. We did a lot of shopping for households and jewelries. And Kutch has two deserts, small desert and big desert. Every year celebrated a Ran Mahotsav. Small desert known as a white desert. It is a land of salty. And then next day we visited seashore. We riding a camel and made a castle. And there is lots of enjoy, and I am very excited, and it is a very memorable day in my life.
Which personal event usually celebrated?
Usually personal event, birthday, anniversary, and her life's most day people celebrate.
How do people celebrate a personal event?
Generally people celebrate go to the restaurant, but if birthday celebrate, her home is decorated with ribbon, candle, cut cake. And if celebrate a promotion business, they give a party and dances, drinks, and more.
How much time people need to prepare a celebration?
Now people are businessmen and always busy his work. He doesn't like waste to time. If birthday celebrated, they one day celebrate, and if marriage celebrated, they 1 month celebrate.
Okay, your speaking is very nice and I inform you call later.
Okay, bye.